What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is... Where's Legion? Let's brought the dogs out here. We're about to actually head out real quick. Where? Oh, there he goes. Sometimes he likes to just kind of wander off. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Go, boy. Put them up there. Alright, so long story short, the Mustang has a small issue, which is actually it's a small issue, but alright, so long story short, the Mustang GT has a small issue, which isn't that big of a deal, but we definitely need to get it addressed. If you guys saw the last video, which I'm so sorry about the audio in that last video, it was absolutely trash, but the last video, when we were taking the Mustang out for a quick drive, I realized the tire pressure was like low in the front driver tire. So long story short, after checking it out again, it looks like there was a nail inside of that tire, which leaves us inside an interesting dilemma, which is, for one, we are going to still get new wheels and tires all the way around, but after looking at ordering a set, it won't be here for like at least a couple weeks. So in the meantime, what are we going to do? I think we're just going to get the one tire replaced, so that way we can just still sell, like when we take these ones off, put the new ones on, completely just sell this set and just do a quick, swaps. But yeah, let's see if we can get this replaced. Oh, that's the one issue with having a leather interior. My God, is it hot in here. We might drop the top, which we did last night. For sure, that's the one thing I do love about having the convertible. You can drop the top. That's actually been like really nice. Just got it taken care of. Okay, that's done. We just got done with that. I'm actually about to head off to Universal. That's the reason why I'm filming on this camera. This is a lot quicker and a lot easier to film with. So if you haven't checked out the theme park channel, you can check it out. It's a link down below. We're going to Universal again, and we're going to be filming some stuff for hopefully some horror nights, like updates and stuff like that. But I'm excited to see how the car drives now. It was definitely more expensive than what I wanted it to be. It was like $200-something to get the one tire. Honestly, it's rather be safe than sorry. At least you got this one tire done, so then you don't have to worry about that, and like we can, I guess, take our time a little bit more to get the right set, nice wheels and tires set up for this thing when we actually get the nice wheels and tires set up. All right, let's head on off and let's go to Universal. There goes Fox Studios and a nice C8. But Fox Studios, Universal today is absolutely gorgeous outside. As you can see, mountains in the background. It's looking beautiful. We actually parked for the first time, actually, like really right next to